Okay, so the party is going great, thank God. I got all the decorations up in time. I was very nervous. I spent most of the day and then my laptop crashed. Right in the middle of downloading all of the Christmas carols to play tonight at the party. So I only had about half of the Christmas carols that I wanted, and I'm sorry, but no Santa baby. Even though many of the men especially requested Santa baby. Just the other day we watched A Charlie Brown Christmas, which was just wonderful. It's very short. I don't remember it being that short. Maybe we could do that. Maybe we could go on Hulu or something and download some movies to watch during the party later. Oh, that would be nice. We could turn off the lights and sort of snuggle up. Anyway, things are going great. The party's going great. I did not exceed my budget. I got everything together. Everyone's here. Everyone seems like they're having fun. And I'm just gonna go out and enjoy myself. I finally get to relax and have a drink. I'm so stressed out. So stressed out. Okay, so nothing more to report. I'll check back in later.